In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name of your website on Squarespace. This is a quick and easy guide, so whether you're rebranding or simply refreshing your site's look, you'll have your new website name up and running in no time. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on Login to proceed. For a seamless experience, Squarespace allows you to continue with Google. So let's click on Continue with Google and choose your Google account to log in. This saves you the hassle of remembering another password and speeds up the process. After logging in, head over to your Squarespace dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the link provided or simply navigating to the main menu where your websites are listed. Select the website you want to rename. This will take you to the back end of your site where all the magic happens. Now it's time to get into the nitty-gritty of changing your site's name. Look for the Edit option. This is your gateway to customizing your site. Once you're in edit mode, you'll want to focus on updating your site's header, as this is typically where your site's name is displayed. Click on Edit Site Header to continue. Inside the header menu, find the Title and Logo section. This is where your current site name is housed. You'll notice an edit icon next to your site's name. Click on this to change your website's name. A field will appear enabling you to input your new website name. Take a moment here to type in your new name. Make sure it reflects your brand and the message you want to convey to your visitors. Once you're happy with your new name, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click on it. This action solidifies your new site name and applies the changes across your website. Changing your website name on Squarespace is as simple as that. However, keep in mind, changing your website's name doesn't alter your site's domain name. If your site name and domain name need to match, you'll need to update your domain name separately. And there you have it. Your Squarespace site now sports a brand new name. Remember, keeping your site updated, whether it's with a new name, fresh content, or updated imagery, keeps your online presence fresh and engaging for your visitors. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped simplify the process of updating your site's name on Squarespace. Happy customizing.